GD Cap 26 here, just repairs and hobbies, and we've got a set of punches here for leather, rubber, and paper, and they're made by JC Performance Products USA. Okay, and very well made. I like the package they put them in. You know, a kit, which is nice. And if this kit ever breaks, which maybe it won't, but it will, at times you could just tape it up and keep it in the kit. It's got markings on it for all the sizes. This is a 10 millimeter I have in my hand. Okay, and got a good edge on it. And you can always sharpen these, run them around on an angle on a piece of sandpaper. And you could actually chuck them into a drill and do them that way too. Just a little bit. You don't want to overdo it, because then you'll lose the diameter on the inside. But I recommend these. You can find them on Amazon. And they said do a review, so I'm doing a review. And they're very solid, you know. What else can I say? You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 10 punches from 2.5 to 10 millimeter. Good price too. So I hope you like this video. Rate and subscribe. I will put the link to this item in the comments below and description. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.